In this Google Classroom tutorial, I will show you how to organize your classwork. This will help you and your students to find what they are looking for very easily on the Classwork tab. Please feel free to explore your own topics once you have learned how to create it. Now let's get started. In the Classwork tab, you can see there are a lot of posts, but they are all scattered. This may cause confusion among students or even difficulty in finding the material they're looking for. So I will go to create and I'll create a topic. Let's call this Unit 1 and I'll add it. I'll create another topic. Let us call that Unit 2. This will help us organize our work in units. Now, how do we send the assignments in its respective units is by simply dragging it in the unit that it belongs. As you can see, you can organize the rest of your work in these units. A tip I would like to give over here is to add another topic called Notes. Under this topic, you can put all your chapter notes, which will help your students find the notes quite easily when they need to refer to them. And I'll simply move this Notes tab right at the top. So my students will be able to see the Notes tab first and then the Unit 1, Unit 2. I can always reorganize this the way I like. Once I've created this topic, whenever I'm creating a new post, say a material, all I will need to do is fill in the title, add a topic where it belongs, say these are notes, and I would simply add my file over here and post. Thank you for watching this tutorial.